Who's playing?
This is 5 minutes. No. You're playing against an opponent on the online opponent.
Okay.
You don't know if you're black or white, but
Okay.
you are white.
Okay. Let's see.
Let's see.
Or D4.
That's their move.
Oh, you're playing the black Martima?
No, you don't have to touch it. It knows.
Gives you the suggestions.
This is pretty good.
Gives you suggestions.
Hey, what happened? He's thinking.
It's coming. It's thinking. It's
Okay.
still running.
Okay.
Take it good. Oh my god. Thank you.
Wait, so this is
Definitely.
This is actually very amazing.
Oh, this is actually amazing. This is what we call AI, the technology. Is it my move?
No, he's not.
He's still thinking.
Oh wait, no. Yes, this is. In this case, is him. Yeah, he moved this.
But this is
You don't have to touch it.
Oh yeah, I'm
It-
habitual of doing clocks, so that's right.
But it's.
Is it coming? Okay.
I mean, like, it's really cool.
So that's his.
Oh,
No, it's okay. If this person wins, it's my moves. See, I'm playing, so it's mine.
yeah.
Okay. What? Oh yeah, of course. Okay. Exactly. Oh no, better move. Yes, that was better.
I'm gonna take a video.
Take this. Zila, you taking the video?
Thank you. नहीं मैं फोटो ले लूँ.
Well, go back a bit so you can see him.
oh
Please.
he moved.
Go back
No,
a
he
bit.
didn't.
He moved.
Oh wait,
Oh, the knight.
the knight. Yeah, you can move it.
Even
I do have to.
wrong.
G3.
But then you can't remove either.
Why G3? Okay.
Okay, so
Thank you so much.
come
Thank
and
you
do
so
the
much.
move.
Come, someone to take it.
I'll be at
Jeffrey, go.
Long castle.
Long castle, he did. Oh, short castle. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is absolutely amazing.
You can play against eight.
One day I'll be able to afford this. And then I'm gonna buy it.
Thank you so much, sir, for this opportunity.
restaurant के लिए.
Damn, who is this?
I wish I could buy
Oh,
this on
11:50. I sent him a request.
Buy this on Amazon.
Endless blasters. Okay, I'll add him.
That's my son.
मेरे पे भी है इसका अभी इसके गेम के बाद मैंने मांगा.
The tournament is still open.
It's all. Yeah, there's a registration
The
link.
registration is still open.
No.
Yes, you can register,
Your mother has taken
but
it.
you have to register between before maybe 1 o'clock.
Hmm.
The link is there. You just click the link and you pay.
Oh, he is moving this way.
That's how I registered.
Beautiful. This guy is going bonkers.
Who's actually playing good? What's his name again? Bonbox game. Bonbox game.
Ah, nice.
Like, what do you play now?
Ah, he takes.
Yeah, of course. Because now the pawn is lost.
Why would you?
Yes, sir.
Just kill her.
Hi. Just 1 minute.
This is really cool. Like really cool. If I was black, I would sacrifice
What's
the
your
rook
name?
because
Where
it
are you?
plays. But
Where did he disappear? Hi.
I
so far, black has played awfully. Like what is this?
No
He
chance.
sacks the rook.
yeah he heard you. He heard you.
He played even worse.
He heard you.
What's he doing? I think he's given up.
Sacrificing peace for nothing.
I mean, like if his pieces were open here, you would understand. But then his pieces are all trapped.
He has less rating than him.
But I mean, that's also partly because he's trapped all his pieces behind like 1 billion pawns. Like look at these
Maybe
pieces.
he's
They're like absolutely
sure.
You can.
awful.
Wait. Oh, he's coming here. For what? What are you coming here for?
Oh,
He's trying for some check nonsense, but like if you like it, the games.
wait, he's got his bishop.
No, the bishop's blocked. That's the
It's on the
problem.
line.
He's
This
not.
one, he needs to get this.
He
out
doesn't
of
know
the
anything
way.
about the opening. That's for sure.
He needs this to
Huh?
get this out of the way.
He didn't.
Oh,
It didn't work.
you
out at
blundered.
all.
What's your name?
You blundered.
How?
Queen g4 and the knight is 4.
Mm.
Just
Yep.
Check.
So he's got the knight.
Oh my gosh.
He got the knight. You have to be careful. Well,
And now he's gonna take. I'm just gonna pre-move it.
obviously, it's not a trap. And now does he have a checkmate?
Am I really?
No, he doesn't have any
No, he
checkmate,
doesn't
but
have
this is,
checkmate.
huh?
Oh shoot! This is stalemate.
Yeah,
Chill out. Your account is in safe hands.
I hope so.
I hope so.
Nowhere close.
that queen is-
Nowhere close, guys. Nowhere
That
close.
queen is really dangerous.
Nowhere close. Why do? Why do?
Bro, don't say that. I'm taking a video. I'm taking a
See,
video. Obviously,
I was pre-moving. I was making predictions.
Okay.
your predictions are bad.
Ouch.
I mean,
Ouch.
That's burn.
bro,
Burn
A kid insulted you, bro.
well,
Ouch.
okay. My next prediction is he's gonna play. What do I
I'm
think?
not good at roasting, but I'm good at insulting.
I think that basically they're the exact
you
same
should-
thing.
They're
You
almost.
should
the same
practically
thing.
pick someone your
My
own
prediction
size.
is this. This is my prediction.
Okay.
Oh well, let's see what he plays.
I think he's gonna blunder the. He's gonna blunder.
Ah, he's playing
Oh,
his
thanks.
game.
Okay.
Yeah, you can just go there.
Yeah,
Right
threaten
there.
me, guys.
Ah,
You have to threaten.
yeah.
your
I think now.
opponents.
I think see how we can stop it reasonably.
He can't stop.
He can. Now he stopped it. Oh no, he does have that though.
Yes.
Ah,
check.
check.
Just take.
Yeah,
Hey,
he
wait,
stopped
wait,
it.
wait.
Ah,
Let's
it's okay.
You would
He's
obviously
gonna
take.
take. He's gonna
Just
take.
take it. Yeah,
You
just
take it.
take.
Nice. You good
And like
move.
just develop.
Ah.
Next
like,
one.
Now
He has
like,
more
he's down
volume.
2 pieces. Wow, his sacrifice kind of paid off. Kind of.
He didn't actually sag it.
Yeah, do it.
He found it accidentally.
No. Queen G5 was completely stoppable. I just didn't want to tell him about it because I don't
I
help
think
him.
he's gonna move this shit.
I think all
Yeah.
He might take, or he
I'm
might.
gonna do the move, man.
Take it from a little bit away.
Now, my prediction is he's going to play Bishop
0.5
B6.
are you taking, right?
He's going to play Bishop B6. That's my prediction.
0.5.
Bishop B6.
I can only
Ah,
take
nice.
Or Knight B6.
Okay.
Ah. Knight square wrong move. Now Knight C4. Knight C4. Prediction. Knight C4. We're going to play it.
Why would you do that? And
no, he went back.
He went
no,
back.
Bishop comes back.
Bishop comes out to play the game. Relax, man.
Why would,
इधर battery नहीं बना सकते.
why would you play Knight takes B6 but then not?
Waste time is.
Knight takes.
Now he's going to play Knight C4. I can tell you.
Why would it take?
Why
Why would it take?
why would you, bro?
Let him.
I'm telling you.
Let him.
I told you. I told you. He's going to play Knight
All
C4.
of the moves in the board.
Oh, so we're doing a. Okay, nice. I think we're almost there.
Yeah, no,
Wait.
we're nowhere close still.
No, he's going to play Knight E3. He's going to play Knight
We
E3.
No, he's gonna take and then
no.
takes and then he's gonna take it back.
We have
no idea.
we have rook f7.
Yeah, but then after Knight E3, you can take the rook.
Yeah, I know.
And then after takes.
No,
Oh, but then the Bishop B6.
But knight e3, rook f3 takes, and then rook f7.
That is true.
Rook f7 looks
But then
really
rook,
good.
yeah, rook f7 looks unstoppable.
Yeah, we're getting-
I mean, bishop e8, no, but the bishop e8 blunders instantly.
Down in time. One.
Okay,
Oh.
yeah, I told you,
Yeah.
knight e3,
And now
I
we
told
play
you.
Wait. Let's shoot.
It's good.
And then after he takes the pawn,
Guys, I'm afraid we
now
both.
rook f7, right?
Good one. Because that's
Yeah.
a threaten.
And then
Now he's gonna play rook d8.
no,
Yeah, we're going to
bishop
He's gonna
e8,
attack the
Bishop,
bishop.
no, but then the bishop dies.
Bishop e8 will be.
No, but then
Oh.
Good for him.
mate.
I think he'll do this rather.
Yeah, rook d8.
He'll come.
He'll just sack the
Rook
rook.
f8?
rook d8.
He'll blunder the rook.
I'll think he'll play rook d8 and then just sack the pawn and just hope for the best.
He's not thinking to save this because it's,
Oh
it's
dang!
going. It's going
Wow,
anyway.
he's pretty low.
I guess he's
pretty
gonna
low.
go.
He's gonna time our flag. He'll flag.
Yeah.
Bishop e8.
Oh, bishop e8. Now take. No,
No, check.
wait,
check,
check.
check, check, check.
no take.
Why?
This
Take.
is mate.
check.
You had to take the
Let me
pawn.
just give him a check. Let me give him a check.
No.
Now what? Now what do we do?
Oh, I see. You were a little bit
Rook
better
h3? You're gonna take the
No,
pawn?
rook h3 I think is mate very
No,
soon.
Wait.
no, what?
Wait, yeah, you could do
Check.
that.
That's a check.
So
No,
what?
knight f6.
But
I
then
think
we
won't
can
work.
still
No,
Knight
knight
take
f4,
it.
knight
Take
f4,
it.
knight f4,
You
knight
sag-
f4.
No,
Knight
don't.
f4.
No.
Knight f4.
Yeah, knight f4 wins.
Knight f4 wins.
Knight f4 wins.
Yeah.
Why would you do that?
Why?
Then rook
Rook
h3
h3 is
rook
unstoppable.
h3 is
Checkmate.
like basically unstoppable.
Okay.
Oh,
He
let's
takes
go.
the pawn and it's
Let's
GG,
go.
checkmate.
Checkmate.
GG.
Oh wait, he's gonna play bishop e5, h5.
Okay, it's check.
Yeah.
It's the only legal move.
Hold on. You
No,
can't
you can't do that.
You can't
Oh, you
pre-move.
can't pre-move?
You can't
Okay.
You
pre-move.
cannot pre-move.
Okay.
You can't pre-move.
You
Okay.
have
He's
to
gonna
wait.
resign. He's gonna.
Let him face.